warm welcome. You're watching the news with me, Anubhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. 6 people from NOIDA who had been put under observation for suspected coronavirus infection after they attended a birthday party hosted by an infected Delhi resident have tested negative for the virus. However, these will be put under home quarantine for the next 14 days. The authorities have said that the government and the administration are keeping a close watch and there is no need to panic. Several schools in Noida have sanitized their campus as a precautionary measure. China on Wednesday reported 38 more deaths from the new coronavirus, but a fall in fresh cases for a third consecutive day. The death toll in China is now more than 2,900, with more than 80,200 people infected in total. There were 115 new cases in central Hubei province, the epicenter where the virus first emerged in December last year, and only 4 elsewhere in the country. The figures in China have generally been declining in the recent weeks as a series of draconian quarantine measures seem to be paying off. 3 more deaths from coronavirus were reported by Washington state on Tuesday as the nation's largest and only fatal outbreak of the respiratory disease reached beyond the Seattle area in what appeared to be the first known instance of coast-to-coast transmission. A North Carolina resident tested positive after returning from a trip to Washington state, where the individual was exposed and apparently infected during a visit to a nursing facility at the center of a recent surge in cases in suburban Seattle. The total number of people diagnosed with the coronavirus in the greater Seattle area rose to 27 on Tuesday, including 9 deaths. The World Bank has committed $12 billion in aid for developing countries grappling with the spread of the coronavirus. The emergency package includes low-cost loans, grants and technical assistance. The action comes as leaders around the world pledge to shield their countries from economic impact of the outbreak. It follows warning that slowdown from the outbreak could tip countries into recession. The aid is intended to help countries improve their public health response to the crisis, as well as work with the private sector to reduce the economic impact. The 15-month-old Congress government in Madhya Pradesh, led by Kamal Nath, which has a wafer-thin majority, has been pushed into crisis, with the party alleging that the BJP has confined a few of its MLAs at a 5-star hotel in Gurgaon near Delhi. In dramatic developments overnight, top Congress leaders from the state were seen escorting one of the MLAs out of the hotel with her bags. Senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh claims that 4 MLAs are still inside the hotel. The Delhi police has clarified on the missing suspended AAP leader Tahir Hussain, who has been accused in the killing of an intelligence bureau employee in northeast Delhi amid violence over the new citizenship law last week. Delhi police has said that his house was searched and he was found absconding. A section of media has reported that Tahir Hussain was rescued by Delhi police. The facts are that on night intervening 24-25 February, when some public men informed police deployed at Chand Bagh that Tahir Hussain was trapped as crowd has surrounded his house, the police verified the same to be incorrect. The clarification came after a senior police officer said that they had rescued Hussain from his house, seemingly backing his claim of innocence. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.